Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp automation for abandoned cart flows, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Automations tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create button located in the upper right corner. Select Email from the drop-down menu. Choose Abandoned Cart from the list of automation options. Click on Begin to start setting up the abandoned cart flow. Enter a name for your automation workflow. Select the audience you want to target for this automation. Configure the trigger settings by selecting when to send the email. Typically, you'll want the first email to go out 1 hour after the cart is abandoned. You can also customize the timing for follow-up emails if you wish. Design your email by clicking on Email 1. Choose a template that aligns with your brand. In the email editor, customize the subject line to grab attention. Make sure to include dynamic content to display the items left in the cart. Add a clear call to action button to direct the user back to their cart. Preview the email to ensure it looks great across devices. Once satisfied, click Save and Continue. Set up any additional emails for your flow by clicking Add Email. Once all emails are created, review the entire automation flow. Make any necessary adjustments to timing and content. When everything is set, click Turn On to activate the automation. Monitor the performance of your abandoned cart flow in the Analytics section. Make adjustments as needed based on engagement and conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.